First thing you want to do is take the keychain off the fob, turn the buttons down, and on this side right here, there's a little tiny spot. It's kind of hard to see. Right here. It's right there. And what you want to do is this is where you want to separate it. So you want to have something very thin, like a small screwdriver like this, and you push it in there and then twist and separate the halves like so. Now we can open it up like so, and you see there's the circuit board. There's a rubber seal here as well, and on the other side is the battery. So you want to set down the circuit board. You don't want anything to fall out, so you just leave that and be careful with it. And on this side, this is where the battery is, and you can just basically, you can either lift up with your finger, or you can gently lift up with like tweezers, or in this case, the flathead screwdriver, just to kind of lift it up and separate it from this little holder right here. There's no springs or anything. It's just a little plastic place for it to go, but it is secure fairly well. Now it's a CR2032 battery, and with the numbers down, put it back in place and just kind of push it in that little holder, and then you get the other half back with the new battery in place. You can set this on top. You can clean around the edge with a Q-tip or something if you want. The inside should stay clean, but the outer edge or outside of the seal can get a little dirty, a pocket lid or whatever. So we take that, make sure that it's lined up properly, lay it on top, and then without pressing the buttons, snap around the edge. There we go. Visually make sure that the edges, the seam is all the way closed. There's no gaps or anything. Put your keychain back on and you're all finished.